By you clicking on this video, there must be some underlying issue you're trying to solve. Do you feel sometimes taken advantage of? Do you feel sometimes that you're not being told how and why people make money and you're not? Well, 1,700 millionaires are made every single day in the U.S. according to Forbes magazine, November 2016 article. 90% of those 1,700 do it with the information the community I'm part of shares. If you would like to learn more about how the rich get rich, or I should say 90% of the rich get rich, and if you'd like to learn how to save on taxes, there's going to be a little video link below. If you click that video link, put in your information, what you're going to find is you're going to find a very informational, formidable 13-minute video that's going to help you see what the 90% of the 1,700 millionaires being made every single day do. At the same time, you're going to get an education on how to pay taxes after you spend it on the items you would like to spend. Do you want to eliminate your issues? Go ahead, comment below, click like, hit the video link below. You have multiple options. Just do one. We will get with you, and we can and will help you eliminate your issues if you're ready to move forward. Go ahead, do it now.